Hey, this is Joe with the Outdoors, folks. We got Tricia, Paul, Lynn's on the right. We're getting ready to head down elk hunting. We got late season cow tags in the Bosque del Oso wilderness area. So we're gonna hit the road. We had to stop at McDonald's. That's the tradition. So everybody say hi, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Hi.
Hi.
Spanish Peaks. We missed the sign because I didn't have the lens open.
So once again, these are the Spanish Peaks in southern Colorado, and I believe it was the Ute Indians that called them the breasts of Mother Earth. Interesting fact.
There we go. Got the mountains ahead of us.
Ain't much snow in them. Not for December.
Usually be covered when we're coming down this way.
It's also 60 degrees today. I think that's the shitter.
I just started recording.
Excuse my language.
So we're just coming up on the lower end, southern end of the Bosque del Oso.
Western.
Western?
Western.
No, we're going south.
No, we're going west. Now we're going south. Alright, here we are.
Patchy Canyon Camp.
Yep, Patchy Canyon Campground. We got a built-in crapper.
There's the bathroom Joe's talking about.
we got a built-in game hoist right here, so we can take care of our animals. Picnic tables, fire pits, barbecues.
Nice flat area to put your camper on.
So we're gonna park, get a game plan of how we want to set up, and then we'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Okay, so we pretty much got the houses set up. It's gonna be home for the next 9 days. Pretty good setup here.
And I got recliners.
And we got recliners.
I got a sweet
Tricia's still setting up inside. Paul's got something going on. This is Leanne. Say hi, Leanne. Say hi.
Our special needs representative.
There we go. And then's bringing out the recliners. And oh yeah, life wouldn't be the same without this.